Hello everyone. Today I am here with a STEM challenge in front of you. So in today's challenge we'll find out that which paper column can hold most of the books. For that you need two sheets, sellotape, any pen and a ruler. Now first of all, let me just cut this paper into two halves. With the help of ruler. Now with one sheet I'm gonna make a cylindrical column by simply folding it like this, and then I'll paste it with the help of sellotape from this side like this. Now with another piece of this sheet I'm gonna make a triangular column or a prism. So for that I need to divide this paper into three equal parts. So let me just measure it first and then mark it with the help of a pen. So now when I fold it along these lines, this will make a prism column, triangular prism column. One fold and then similarly another equal fold. Now join both the ends with the help of sellotape again. Now my prism column is also ready. Now with another sheet I'm gonna make a cuboidal column. So for that I need to divide this paper into four equal parts. So again I'll mark four equal parts with the help of scale. And now I'll fold it along these points. Basically I need to divide this sheet into four equal parts so that when I fold it, it becomes a cuboidal column. See, like this. Now if I join both the ends, so it will appear like this. Now I'll join it with the help of sellotape. See, my three columns are ready. Now what I'll do is one by one I'll keep on adding books onto these columns to check that which column could hold most of the books. So let's try with this cuboidal first. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9. So on adding 8 it falls down. So this shows that this cuboidal could hold not more than 8 books in total. Now let's try with the prism one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it falls down. So this shows that triangular could hold even less than the cuboidal one. Now let's try with the cylindrical shaped column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and still it's not falling. So this shows that cylindrical column could hold most of the books, because cylinder can support most books because its wall don't have any edges. Basically, the force of the books cannot become concentrated in a particular area. The load is distributed evenly. So basically, in other words, all parts of the cylinder are sharing the loads of book, but it's not happening in the case of the prism and in the case of cuboidal.